Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by placing the server where you want files to live. Open a terminal, type the drive letter and enter, for example D, then CD to your project, and launch Jupyter Notebook so the server's working directory is already on that drive. Alternatively, inside any notebook run %cd/path/ to /folder or import os chdire /path/ to /folder to change the kernel's working directory immediately. Do this because it avoids path errors and ensures file saves and relative imports resolve correctly. Once the server is running, you'll switch contexts inside Python to ensure consistent behavior. Check your current location with %pwd. Change with %cdd /projects or use Python, import os chdire ard \projects or from pathlib import pathd /projects. Resolve. This matters because OS paths differ on Windows versus Unix. If you're pointing to network or external drives, mount them first and confirm read/write permissions so file operations don't fail mid-run. Also make sure relative imports and data paths use the updated CWD. Finish by making the change persistent and verifying. Restart the kernel so any cached paths are cleared, then run %pwd to confirm the notebook is on the correct drive. If you need a permanent solution, launch the Jupyter server from that drive or create a symlink from your home directory. Alternatively, update Jupyter Notebook config. PyC, Notebook app, Notebook dire. If things go wrong, check that the drive is mounted, permissions allow writes, and that your path uses the right/direction. These 3 fixes resolve most issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.